Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to hide mature content on the Redbubble application. But first, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the Me icon down below, which is the last one. Then click on settings, and as you can see, the hide mature content is turned off right now. So if you would like to turn it on, all you have to do is clicking on this button. So now you won't see anything related to these kind of content. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.